Hi, my name's Justin. I'm a graduate student here at William Paterson University. I'm currently in the computer science master's. I'm doing research with Dr. Koo in data science and artificial intelligence. I've loved the research opportunity. The process of doing article research and then presenting it and then trying to create your own step in the field, and it helps actually apply a lot of the skills that I've been learning. I think that the professors here, they want people to come and they want people to interact with their research and learn more from what they're doing, and just to get a little bit of an edge on terms of what you're trying to learn. The professors are very eager to get you to step up and work as hard as you can onto the research or the coursework, and they're more than happy to help you with it. It's a great way to expand your skill set. So if you're interested in that, I definitely recommend it.